Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Yes, this is my third shopping haul from Bed Bath & Beyond. Now this is going to be really quick because I just went down, to get out the house and just to see if they had added some new stuff to, the shelves. And I didn't find anything new, but there was stuff that I've been seeing since I've been going, but I've never picked it up. So I said, today I might as well go ahead and get it. So let's get into it. Got the receipt right here. So if y'all remember all the bath stuff that I got, the towels, the rugs and everything. Well, I found it kind of coordinates with the color scheme that I'm going to be using from the tissue box holder, and it has this color in the tissue box holder. So 75% off. This was regularly it was marked down to $7.19, and I only paid $1.88. $1.80 for this. And this is the toothbrush holder. So I found that, and then I found the matching hand soap dispenser, and it was regularly $7.99, and I got it for $2. So not bad. And then third, they had this soap, where you just put your soap down. And they had a nerve child to have this for $11.19. But it was marked all the way down to $2.80 with the 75% off. So lovely 3-piece bath set. So let me get it wrapped, because my motto is what I've been doing is just doing the video, wrapping it back up, and putting it over in my first storage. That way, when it's time to move, I will have all my new bathroom products already over in storage. Okay, and I got one more bag to show you. Now, they had these Delicates wash bags. It's a 3-component, as you can see. You can see that in the corner. And these were $2.98, but with the 75% off, they were only 74 cents a piece. And these are great, for your lingerie, your bras, anything that may have beads or anything, and you're just hand washing it, cycle on your washing machine. So I will be using these now. I won't be saving these. So this was a great deal for 74 cents. They had this black round tablecloth. You see, I hope you can see the pattern. I'm just gonna hold it back because of the reflection. But a black tablecloth, y'all, for $1.99. I think it's $1.99 or $1.19. Yeah, $1.99. So hopefully you can pick that price up. Yes, this was $1.99, and it says it's a round tablecloth. Now I don't have anything round, but I will make it work for whatever I decide to use it for. But I was not leaving that there for $2 for a nice black tablecloth. Okay, and then they had child, look at this price that they was trying to sell this for. A nice the plastic cup to carry with you. They had this down to $24.99, and I ended up paying $6.25. I think I got gypped with this, but it was so nice. And it says inhale, exhale, and repeat. So for $6, I said I'll get it. I probably could have got one similar, at Walmart, but I just went ahead and just got it. I'm just trying to take the tags off because I am trying to get ready for y'all for bingo this evening, and this is where I will be my ice water tonight. So yeah, $6.75 for this. It is pretty. It has my favorite colors, that fuchsia pink. So nice and heavy. And then lastly, they had this gel and lather heating system. This that's the only thing, they didn't have a price on it, so when I got up to the register, it was regularly $24.99. No, this was regularly $29.99, and I ended up paying $7.50. So, nice little heating thing. See how you put the gel in, and the gel's supposed to be hot to shave. So I thought this was pretty cute. Either my husband or I can use it. You know, summer's time's getting ready to come, ladies. So, you know, we got to get all that winter hair off of us, if you know what I mean. So that's why I got that. And then, of course, I had got 3 more bags. I got the last of the bags again. So I got 3 of these, and these were only 25 cents. So that made me, I think, a total of 18 bags now. So, and what I'm doing, I'm putting all the new stuff that I'm buying in one storage. So when it's time to move, all I can, you know, I'll just go to that one storage and pull out all my Bed Bath & Beyond bags. And I know that will be for me to set up my bathroom. If I buy any bedroom stuff, you know, that'll be all the new stuff that's going in the house. So the total that I spent was $25.44. And I thought that wasn't too bad for, you know, a lot of the fabulous stuff that I got. You know, the the tablecloth, the shaving thing. I got my drink holder. 2 of these for my lingerie or, you know, personal items. And then the bathroom stuff. That's it. So I hope that you are still able to get out and get some of these fabulous deals at Bed Bath & Beyond. And let me know down in the comments. I have, this is my part 3. If you were able to get out and get any of the good stuff. And in your area, if they had the same thing that I have been showing you the last 3 videos. So, like I always say, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Y'all make sure to hit that like button, leave me a lovely comment, and if you're new to the family, thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you just happen to stumble across my channel, what you waiting on? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and welcome to the fabulous family. I'll see y'all in another video. Take care. Bye-bye. Hey, just a quick video. I'm over at storage, and I bought all that stuff right there. You see all those Bed Bath & Beyond bags. This is the new stuff that I just bought in. And, you know, the new stuff that I just bought. I am not taking it in the house. I filmed it, and if I buy anything else, I'm going to film it, and it's going to come straight over here. So, yep, these are my stands. I got everything boxed and bagged. You guys have seen these before. It's a new box I just bought over. And I do have everything well organized, you know, in the clear bags from all the different YouTube videos that I've done. And I did take 2 big boxes, you know, right there to the other storage. So, yeah, we're not pulling nothing out. We're just putting stuff in. So when it's time to move, the truck will come right on in. I'll get 4 people over here to put it in the truck for me. To my new house. Work in progress. I thought it was really, really bad, but there's a whole lot of stuff that got to go in here, so we'll see as the weeks progress. Y'all stay blessed, and I'll see y'all in another storage adventures.